Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Mathematics JEE. In this video, we are going to discuss question number 8 of paper 1 of JEE Advanced 2025. Okay, so let us discuss this problem. Let the set of all relations R on the set A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, these are the set elements such that R is reflexive and symmetric. Okay, so R is reflexive as well as symmetric, and R contains exactly 10 elements. Be denoted by this S. Okay, now this set S contains all the relations such that R is reflexive and symmetric. Now for a relation to be reflexive, we know they must contain this A comma A, B comma B, C comma C, so on up to F comma F, right? Because we know the definition of reflexive relation is for all A belongs to the set A, we have A comma A belongs to the relation R. So we must have all these 6 elements in the relation R, right? But then we have this R containing exactly 10 elements, right? So that means we have another 4 elements left here, right? If this is the relation R, right, we have left 4 elements. 6 elements are already covered, right? So all the elements which are contributing to the reflexive part of the relation are here, right? These 6 elements. Now we have to consider the elements which contribute to the symmetric nature of this relation. So we know for a symmetric relation, if A comma B belongs to this R relation, this implies that B comma A should also belong to the relation R. Okay. So now how many pairs will be there, right? We have to select a pair among these 6 elements, right? And their order will not matter. That means we can choose these pairs in 6C2 ways, right? We have total 6C2 pairs of this A comma B. So then if we want to get 4 elements out of them, we must select 2 elements, right? Because all of these elements will come with its pair, right? If A comma B is there, B comma A will be automatically there. That means if we are selecting any of these elements, these 2 elements, we are automatically getting the symmetric element which corresponds to this A comma B or B comma A. Okay, that means we have to select 2 pairs among all these 6C2 pairs, right? Now let us count the number of relations using this. So we have 6C2 equal to 15, right? 62 is equal to 15. So we have to select 2 pairs among these 15 pairs. That means 15C2 times the number of ways of choosing these 6 elements is equal to 1, right? These elements are fixed. These elements we cannot change or we cannot alter. So we have here 1 way. So the total number of ways here will be 15C2, which is 15 into 14 divided by 2, which comes out to be, if we calculate, it is equal to 105, right? So 105.00, because this is a numerical value question, so we have to give decimal answer. So the number of elements in this set S is equal to this. Okay, so this was a good question on the concept of forming relations, and this type of questions generally occur in JEE mains also. So you have to practice such questions in a very good amount, right?